Hey guys, Jesse Helmendale with TREBEL Wellness Solutions, and today we're going to teach you the hands up wall squat test. Now this is one of the mobility screens that we do before we even put a barbell on your back. So Andrew, if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and measure out 1 shoe length away from the wall. Perfect. And then go ahead and get into a nice good squatting stance. All the same squatting mechanics apply here as he did in the dumbbell squat and the air squat. Go ahead and put your hands up against the wall about eye level. And what we're going to do is you're basically going to squat, and we've got this wall right here in front of you that if for some reason your mechanics are off, like you're leaning over a little bit too much, it's going to keep you from squatting. So if you wouldn't mind, do 3 squats for us, please. Nice. That looks really good. Hips are back, knees are out. Good. I'm looking at your feet. You're not having any dance moves right here, so really dig that big toe down. Good stuff. Thank you. And so that's a really good example of he passed the test. What we see with a lot of folks is that their inability to keep this upright torso as they're going down, they start to lean forward, and that could be ankle restrictions, could be the knees, the hips, it could be some thoracic spine issues, because we're sitting at a desk all day long. If we had some issues with Andrew, then we'd investigate a little bit further. We've got some mobility tests that we would look at. Why don't you, I know you're sitting there watching this at home, go ahead and do the test. Remember, we get 1 shoe length away from the wall. You do your squat. Let me know, how did it go? Did you pass or you fail?